And Yankee Stadium took the top spot with more than 658,000 posts. Dodger Stadium came in second. Flushing City Field came in sixth place. Well, let's check in with K2K meteorologist Andrew Salmon. Andrew, I know you're not a Yankees fan, but
No.
How do you feel about that being the top Instagram arena? Yeah, I know you're a
Remember
Mets
that
fan.
meme of the person doing the thumbs down? Yeah, that's how I feel about it. But I also feel a little woken up early this morning because of the thunder that rolled on through the area, and we did see some large hail that did move through the area as well. Taking a look at the latest storm reports over the past 24 hours, we had a couple of reports of some large hail out there. Southern Smith County got about a inch in diameter hail, which is about the size of a quarter. That was over by the Bullard area. Also some large hail in parts of Henderson and Van Zandt County as well. So we didn't see a whole lot of damaging hail out there, but certainly it was enough thunder and stuff like that to wake us up pretty easily this morning. In terms of rainfall totals, now when we have this thunderstorm activity move on through, we see all kinds of different amounts, all dependent on which area saw the thunderstorms, how many storms those areas seen. But it gives us a good idea which areas did see the most rain here as we look at the radar estimates over the past 24 hours, estimating nearly 5 inches of rain in southern Nacogdoches County, where multiple thunderstorms moved on through. A radar estimate of 5 inches just west of Athens. So this is certainly some good rain. Even our areas north of Interstate 20, which are which need a little bit more rain than other places, got 2.5 inches in Mount Pleasant estimated by radar, and 2.7 inches just north of Canton. In terms of satellite and radar right now, we've got some clouds still moving on through. The thunderstorm clouds, though, are moving off to our west right now. Temperatures in the 60s and 70s. And so we've got a pretty large temperature spread across the area. And so that's going to make for a complicated high temperature forecast, but we are at least going to see upper 70s this afternoon with some low 80s possible on Tuesday and Wednesday as well. We are going to start to cool off, though, as we head into the end of this work week with highs in the 70s by Thursday and Friday. And then Saturday and Sunday, we're going to see even cooler temperatures as we look to see highs in the low to mid 60s out there. So a big cool down expected for the weekend, going to be quite the different feel than from the 80s that we are seeing today and tomorrow as we head towards Saturday and Sunday. Now, the reason for those cooler temperatures is because of a cold front. The cold front and its associated storm system will also bring a risk for more severe weather towards the end of this work week. First, the next round of severe weather is Thursday into Thursday night. Now, this is just an isolated threat for severe thunderstorms, as the greatest threat stays off to our west over by the Interstate 35 corridor and even west of there. And here in East Texas, it's just a low-end threat of maybe an isolated instance of severe hail during the day on Thursday. Now, Friday, on the other hand, especially favoring the morning hours, we'll have to watch even closer out there, because there does look to be a slightly higher chance of seeing severe weather, at least along and south of Interstate 20 for the day on a Friday. And this could end up being more than just a hail threat. We may have to throw in the damaging wind threat and maybe a tornado threat as well. Although at this point, still looking at the latest data, widespread severe weather looks unlikely at this point. And in terms of where we could be, at least for the spring severe weather season. Now, for our day today, we are going to see those highs rebound back to the lower 80s in the warmest spots out there, but some of us will just stop in the upper 70s, and you could even be cooler than that if you get a pop-up thunderstorm developing this afternoon, which certainly looks to be a possibility at this point in time. But for the most part, we're dry for the rest of the day today. For tonight, we'll drop down to the upper 50s. It's cooler and less humid than the past couple of nights because of that northeasterly wind, helping to reinforce some cooler and drier air across the area. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We are going to see storm chances as we close out this work week. The best chance of rain is Thursday night and Friday, favoring again the morning hours on Friday. We're cooler but dry for the weekend, and then the sunshine warms us back into the low 70s by Monday of next week. For Deep East Texas, it's more of the same. Again, we should not see any more thunderstorms, at least in Deep East Texas, for the remainder of the day today. That 40% was mostly during the morning hours. We will see the increased rain chances, though, Thursday night and especially into the day on Friday. And then we'll dry out as we head into the weekend, with highs back in the low 70s by the day on Monday underneath mostly sunny skies. Now, don't forget on Saturday night to put your clock ahead by an hour as we get into daylight saving time.